Hi darlings. Let's know some amazing facts about clownfish together. Number 1. They are not found in the Atlantic Ocean. Although all clownfish belong to oceans, they cannot be found in the Atlantic Ocean. Clownfish are found in the warmer waters of the Red Sea, the Pacific Ocean, the coral reefs of the Indian Ocean, and in the offshore waters near Japan and Australia. Apart from the Atlantic, they are also not found in both the Caribbean and the Mediterranean Sea. The most common ocean you can find clownfish in would be the Indian Ocean. However, they also largely inhabit coral reefs. Number 2. All clownfish are born male. One of the more interesting clownfish facts tells us that all clownfish are born male. Clownfish live in groups. Each group has one breeding male, one breeding female and several younger male clownfish. When the breeding female dies, the breeding male becomes the breeding female, while one of the younger males steps up to become the breeding male. Some clownfish may never transform to be a female and remain less dominant males that never breed. If you like the video so far, like and subscribe. Thank you. Number 3. They were named clownfish mostly because of their behavior. While many people think clownfish got their name strictly because of their colors, this is not the case. Instead, it is mostly because of their personalities and behaviors. Clownfish are very territorial fish and will defend both their habitat and their school. They will begin to swim around erratically in their defense, which often looks quite silly. This quirky behavior is really what gave them their unique name. Number 4. Clownfish are known to bite. With all of this hiding that clownfish do inside of an anemone, you might think these fish were timid. In truth, they are quite aggressive and will not hesitate to defend the anemone and their home. For example, they are known to keep the butterfly fish, which eats anemones, away to keep their anemone safe. In the wild, clownfish have even been known to fight back against sharks that attack them. Scientists have observed the tiny clownfish biting a shark's tail, and noted that this ferocious creature actually flinched in response. Clownfish may attempt to bite when you reach in to clean the tank or alter the terrain. You are more likely to experience this if you have wild-caught clownfish rather than captive-bred. Tank-raised clownfish tend to be gentler, and are often very happy to see their owners. Number 5. Clownfish and sea anemones are best friends. It is known that the clownfish benefit from the sea anemone because they are provided with protection from predators, but the clownfish also return the favor and help the sea anemone. The clownfish will helpfully eat any of the tentacles that die on the sea anemone. The clownfish also help to attract food sources to the sea anemone, just by swimming. The fast movement of their fins increases the aeration of the water and brings in more food. Number 6. Clownfish are surprisingly poor swimmers. One of the more surprising facts on this list tells us that these fish are certainly not the best swimmers in the ocean. They spend much of their time hiding in the sea anemone they live in. When they do venture out, their swim patterns are very erratic. They are known to swim sideways at times and, while they can swim quickly for short bursts, they can't keep up this speed to avoid a predator for too long. They rely on their habitat for protection rather than their swimming skills. Do you like clownfish too? Really, which item of this video did you like the most? Comment for me. Thank you.